Have you ever pondered the grandeur of nature's pharmacy? How the earth beneath our feet, the flora around us, may hold the key to our well-being? Welcome to a journey through the realm of alternative medicine, where nature's bounty offers a spectrum of healing possibilities. Take a moment to consider the humble chamomile, an unassuming flower with a delicate aroma, yet it's more than just a pretty bloom. For centuries, people have used chamomile tea to soothe upset stomachs, promote sleep, and ease anxiety. It's a testament to the power of nature, offering comfort and calm in a simple, fragrant brew. Or consider the mighty ginger root, with its fiery taste and invigorating scent. Ginger doesn't just spice up a meal. It also serves as a potent remedy for nausea and motion sickness. In fact, some studies suggest that it may even rival certain pharmaceuticals in effectiveness. Then there's the versatile aloe vera, a spiky plant that thrives in arid climates. Its gel-like interior is a treasure trove of healing properties. It soothes burns, hydrates skin, and aids digestion. It's a testament to nature's ingenuity, providing relief and rejuvenation in one resilient plant. And who could forget the renowned ginseng? Revered in traditional Chinese medicine, this root is believed to boost energy, lower blood sugar and cholesterol levels, and promote relaxation. It's a powerhouse of potential benefits, hidden beneath the Earth's surface. But these examples are just the tip of the iceberg. From the aromatic eucalyptus to the vibrant turmeric, the world of alternative medicine is teeming with plants and herbs that can enhance our health and well-being. Each one is a testament to the intricate synergy of nature, a testament to the wisdom of our ancestors who recognized and utilized these natural resources. So, as we delve deeper into understanding these natural remedies, remember that their potency lies not just in their individual properties, but also in their synergy. It's about embracing a holistic approach to health, one that respects and harnesses the power of nature. In conclusion, alternative medicine offers a wealth of benefits. It encourages a holistic approach to health, harnessing the power of nature to promote healing and well-being. It invites us to view the world around us not just as a landscape, but as a living pharmacy, rich with remedies waiting to be discovered. It's a reminder that sometimes the most effective solutions can be found not in a lab, but in the world that surrounds us. It's a journey of discovery, of understanding, and of respect for the natural world. And remember, the next time you sip on chamomile tea or apply aloe vera gel, you're not just using a plant, you're tapping into the profound wisdom of nature.